How's it going, YouTube? We're back again. We're going to try to finish up our ribs today. We got KY Mike with us, and makes it a hell of a lot easier having another guy in here bending while I tack down. So it's not hard, it just takes a long time.
Don't know if I recognize you. All those good times slowly fading off behind you. When are you gonna come home? When are you gonna come? When are you gonna come home? When are you gonna come? It's been a long time, don't know if I recognize you. You're a sight for sore eyes. Turn my eyes to sky blue. When are you gonna come home? When are you gonna come? When are you gonna come home? When are you gonna come? When are you gonna come home? When are you gonna come? When are you gonna come home? When you gonna come? When you gonna come? It's been a long time, don't know if I recognize you. All those good times slowly fading off behind you. When are you gonna come home? When are you gonna come? When are you gonna come home? When are you gonna?
Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. 9 T-bars. Man, if you only knew how sore I was. Knee pads, the whole 9 yards, taking plenty of breaks and drinking plenty of beer, but I'm here to tell you, 9 T-bars is no joke. Everything looks pretty good, pretty happy with it. Still deciding whether I want a 4-inch bumper up here or if I just want a nice little round 1.5 inches or something to give it a little bit more sturdiness and make it look good. But this is going to be a flush deck from this crossbar right here. It's already in place and that's where it will be. And she's 72 inches right on the dot. So, them sheets of 72-inch sheet out there, that's going to be our front deck. Now, looking at probably having 16-inch walk-arounds. We'll see how that plays out. Not sure if I can reach the water or not, but want to be able to utilize the whole boat front to back. Going to have a large back deck for shooting and jumping fish. So, yeah, there we go. 9 T-bars in place, ready to rock and roll. Now I will come back, as you can see, all my saw marks aren't welded yet, and just my stitch welding, I'll end up welding stitches on the other side. So this was just to get everything in place. I've got a good, I don't know, 4 hours worth of welding to do up here on the ribs, and then the back end of them, you know, we still got to get everything, our cross supports cut and in place. So for now, that's what she looks like. Hey, special thanks to KY Mike for stopping by and helping out today. Really helped out a lot. Appreciate it, buddy. So stay tuned. We'll be back.